Welcome to our channel, Global Online Platform. So, in our series, we are solving mathematical reasoning previous year questions for UGC-NET. So, in this series, we are going to solve previous year questions thoroughly and will have better understand of the questions and the solutions. So, we are going to do complete paper analysis. So, this is lecture 5. And let's start with other previous year questions which were asked in UGC-NET in year 2019, 2020 and 2021. So before moving towards questions, Global Online Platform is available on Play Store and also on iOS. So you can search for Global Online. There you can install Global Online application. After installing, you will be able to see the UI as given between the screen. After this, from here you can search category wise courses from categories like PhD entrance, NET, then different type papers like UGC paper 2, NET paper 2, and from store you can search courses like UGC-NET, the NET, and also you can search your paper 2 wise like the subject you choose. So from here you can enroll also, and if you have any query you can contact to our support team. Now let's see the questions. So yesterday I gave you a question as a homework. So what was the question? In a 100-meter race, A beat B by 10 meter or 2 seconds. What is the speed of A? Okay. So there is a 100-meter race. 100-meter race. Okay. So, and in the question we have given that A beats B by 10 meter or 2 seconds. So we know formula of speed that is denoted by S equals to distance upon time. Correct? So here we have asked what is the speed of A. Speed of A we have to find. Correct? So and A beats B by 10 meter or 2 seconds. Correct? So basically what we have to find like or 2 seconds. Okay. So suppose A takes T seconds to finish the race. Correct? And as in the question it is given A beats B by 2 seconds. So B will take T plus 2 seconds. Okay. So for speed of S is equals to D upon T, and speed of B equals to D upon T plus 2. Correct? So now we can write it as like 1 second. So value of D is 100 meters. Okay. So S of A we can write 100 upon t. S of b we can write 100 upon t plus 2. Okay, so and t time is covers 90 and for t it covers 100. Okay, also we can write SB equals to 90 upon t, because it is in the question it is given A beat B by 10 meter or 2 second. Okay, so using these inputs we have to solve the question now. To solve the question, so what we can write, what is the speed of A we have asked. Okay, so using this formula only, speed and distance formula, we can solve the question. So according to the input, we can write it as A beats B by 10 meter or 2 seconds. Okay, correct. So speed of B we can get as B equals to 10 upon 2, that is 5. This is speed of B, 5 meter per second. Now time taken by B to cover 100 meters, that we have to calculate. Okay, so we can write it as T of B equals to 100 upon speed of B, we get 20 seconds. Correct. Now we have to find, so time taken by A will be, so TA will be 20 minus 2, that is 18 seconds, because in the question it was given that B takes 2 more seconds, 2 seconds extra. So from this we can calculate the speed of A. So speed of A is 100 meters upon 18 seconds. So we get 5.5 meter per second. This is the speed. Okay, so now we have to find into now the options which we are given, so they are in kilometer per hour, but our answer we just calculated is in meter per second. So to convert to kmph, so we can write it as 5.5 will convert to, if we calculate this, it gives 19.8 kilometer per hour. We just need to multiply 1000 because and divided by 3600. So this is our correct answer. I will explain this you again to have better clarity. So basically there is a race going on between A and B. So this is 100-meter race, and in the question it is given that A beats B by 2 meter or 2 seconds, correct? So it covers, so basically B covers 10 meter in 2 seconds. We know formula of speed equals to distance upon time. So to calculate speed of B, we can write S of B equals to 10 upon 2. It comes 5 meter per second. From this, now we know the time taken by A is 2 seconds lesser. So we can write it as 1 second. So first of all, we need to calculate time taken by B. So TB equals to 100 upon 5. So distance upon speed. So we get 20 seconds. This is the speed of B. So now we can find time taken by A similarly. So basically time taken by A is TB minus 2. So that is 20 minus 2 comes 18 seconds. Now in the question we have asked, we have to find speed of A. So for speed of A, so we know the time taken, so 100 upon 18, which comes to 5.5 meter per second. Now we need to find in kmph, right? So 5.5, so this comes 1000 and 3600, so it gives us around 19.8 kilometer per hour. So this is like we can suppose that this is close to 20, so we can round it to 20 kmph. Okay, so that's why our answer D is the correct one. Now let's see next question. Next question is a series question. Here we have a series given of alphabets. So first of all, let's read what is the series given. AB, comma ED, IH and then NM. So we will write it down as A, then B, then E, then D, then I, H, then N, M. Now next we have to find. So first of all, we need to observe the series first. Okay, so before observing also you need to know the alphabet sequence or numbering of the alphabets, like A is at first position, B is at second position, like that. So this the alphabet numbering helps a lot in solving the questions quickly, correct? So this you should know how to number quicker. So let's now A is at, give me a second, A is at first position, this is at second, A, B, C, D, E, this is on fifth, this is fourth. Okay, so let's write it down directly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So D, then so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay, so I is at 9th position, so we'll write down 9. H is at 8th position, N is at 14th position and M is at 13th position. So let's see what's the logic they have used to create this series. So we can see here there is addition of +1, okay, and here they have done -1, okay, and then now we have to again find the relation. So this is +1, correct? So, and again here we can see there is +1, okay, D and E. Similarly there is +1 here also, there is +1. Now from here if we go here, there is addition of +3, correct, and then there is +1. From here, from 5 to 8, sorry, my bad. So from 2 to 4 it is +2, okay. So we need to like create a logic by ourselves, so we need to be precise, okay. So this is +2, we get 4, that is D, and then +1 we get E. Now from 5 we add +3, we get 8, and then +1 we get I. Again from here we add 4 in 9, we get 13, okay, we added 4, we got 13, and 13 plus 1, 14. Again in 14 we will add what? +5, okay, 14 plus 5, that is 19, and 19 plus 1, that is 20. Now on these two positions, 19 and 20, which letters are there? So that we have to find. So on 19 there is S, on 20 it is T. So these are the two letters we got which satisfy our condition, T and S. So let's find the options. So first option only is the correct one, that is TS. Now let's move to this one. Was little bit tricky, okay, so you need to observe the series properly. Now let's move to our next question. This is also a series question, okay, so let's see how it is coded. So first A, E, I, O, U we have given, and it is coded as T, N, H, D, Z, and then we have given B, F, J, P and V. So here A is coded, this series is coded into this series, fine. So let's see how it is coded. We need to observe it. So the A, and here there is Z, E, D, E, okay. Now like let me write it here. I will write the alphabetic series. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, then N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z, correct. So here we can observe that the coding is in reverse manner, okay. So if we write this series as Z, D, H, N and T, okay, So if we see, they have taken a previous number, previous letter to A. So previous letter to A is Z, correct? And then previous letter to E is D. Similarly, previous letter to I is H. Previous letter to O is N. And previous letter to U is T. U is T. Now similarly we have to solve this series. Okay. So first of all we will find previous letter to B is A. So we will write A here because we are coding in reverse manner. Reverse of B, previous of F is E. So we will write E. Then previous of J is I. We will write I. Similarly, previous of P is O. And previous of V is U. Correct? So we got the series U, O, I, E and A. So we need to search this series in our options. So A is wrong, B is correct and others are wrong. So this is our answer, B option. Let's see next question now. So this is blood relation question. So let's read out the question first. If A is brother of B, B is brother of C, C is husband of D, E is the father of A, how is D related to E? So basically they have given that A is a male and he is brother of B. In second statement it is given B is brother of C. This is also male. Okay, and this is also male because it is given C is husband of D. So we will write it as D. Okay, and E is the father of A. E is father of A. So he is also male. So we have asked D is related to E. How E and D are related? So basically, and E is also father of C. Correct? So D is related as daughter-in-law of E. B is the correct answer. Let's see next question. Basically here this is ratio and proportion question. So two numbers are in ratio 3:5. If 9 is subtracted from the numbers, the ratio will become 12:23. The numbers are, we have to find numbers. So option A is 30:50, 36:60, 33:55, 42:70. So basically let's consider they have given 3:5. So let's consider we have two numbers 3x and 5x. Correct? And in second statement they have said 9 is subtracted. So and after that we got 12:23 as ratio. So let's use these inputs and find what we can do. So they have done like 3x minus 9, we can write it down as, and then 5x minus 9. After doing this we got the ratio as 12:23. Correct? Now this equation we have to solve. We have created one equation after which we can find out the value of x. Okay, so x is basically common. After the after we find the x, we can find these two numbers, 5x and 3x. So what we can do, so we will do like 23 3x minus 9 equals to 12 5x minus 9, correct. 23 3s are 9, 3 to the 6, 69x minus 23 9s are, we have to do, so 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27 and 9 2s are 18, so it comes 207, correct. So it is 207 equals to 5 6 12 5s are 60 x minus 12 9s are 108. If we get 60 over here, so 60 minus 60 69 minus 60, we get 9x equals to 207 minus 108, correct. 207 minus 108, so what we will get, 9x equals to 99 upon 99, so only, so we can write it as 99 upon 9, that is equals to 11. So we got the value of x is 11, so x equals to 11. So now we can find 3x, like 3x into 11, and 5x as 5 into 11. So 3 11s are 33 and 5 11s are 55. So these two are the numbers whose ratio is 3:5 they have given, and after subtracting 9 we got 12:23. So let's see first option. First option is wrong, second option is also wrong, third option is correct because 33 and 55 are the two numbers. This is also wrong. Take this question as homework. So basically we have to calculate the present age of father and son. So they have given the mean of father's age and son's age. So f plus s equals to divided by 2 equals to 27 they have given. Okay, and after 18 years what will be, father will be twice as old as his son, they have said. So after 18 years, so f plus 18 will be twice of 54 minus, so from here we can like get f plus s equals to 54, correct. So father's age will be 54 minus s, so we can write it here as like this. So this equation you have to solve, and using this you can find the age of father and son. So take this question as homework, and if you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. So next question is, the ages of Swati and Manisha are in ratio of 5:6 and the sum of their ages is 55 years. What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years, we have asked. Okay, so ages of Swati are in ratio, so Swati upon Manisha's age is 5:6 and their sum of their ages is 55, so s plus m is 55. What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? After 5 years, ratio of Swati and Manisha's age they have asked. Correct. So what we can do, they have given us ratio and sum. Correct. Just a second. Sorry. So let's consider their Swati's age be 5x, Manisha's age equals to 6x. Correct. And they have given the sum of their ages, that is 55 years. So we can write the equation as 5x plus 6x equals to 55. So here comes 11x equals to 55, then x equals to 55 upon 11, that is 5. So we got the value of x, that is 5. Now we can find the age of Swati by doing 5 into x, that is 5 into 5. Similarly, we can do 6 into x equals to 6 into 5. So 25, and this comes 30. And they now in the question they have asked what will be the ratio after of their ages after 5 years. Okay. So for after 5 years, ratio, we can write it as age of Swati will be 25 plus 5, that is 30. Age of Manisha will be 30 plus 5 after 5 years, that will be 35. So we have to find the ratio S upon M equals to 30 upon 35. So it comes 6 by 7, 6 is to 7. So ratio we can write it as 6 is to 7. So let's find the options. So A option is wrong, second option is also wrong, that is 6 is to 5 they have given. C option is the correct one, 6 is to 7. Hope you have understood the solution. So that's all for today's lecture. Hope you have understood all the solution that I have provided. Very simple questions were there, and these type of questions are only asked in the paper. So try to solve it by your own, and if you have any another question which you are stuck, that question you can also ask me in the comment section. And please like my video if you really loved how I teach, and please subscribe to our channel and download our global online application and enroll to different courses. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.